Hi, my name is Ron Lehman. I'm from the Faux School in Frederick, Maryland, where I teach decorative painting workshops and complete commission projects for clients all around the world. If you're interested in classes or commissioning me, down in the description area below, you'll find a link to thefauxschool.com as well as my contact information. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you to go down there and hit the subscribe button. That way you get notified when new videos come out. And if you don't mind, hit the like button while you're down there so I know that you like what I'm doing. What we're going to do in today's video is I'm going to take you to a project I just finished in Memphis, Tennessee using Grasello, a polished filtered lime plaster, smooth and creamy, using a 3-coat application with a compression to get a high gloss and then a protective coat of wax with a buff. So let's get our tools, let's get our materials, and let's get started. Okay, these walls are first coated. You can clearly see how light, see the dark spot, see the dry area. Now, no movement, you don't see anything happening. Remember, I have to look over here to see what you're seeing. So let me spin around this way, already second coated. This wall, first coat, second coat. You can start to see the movement coming through it, coming to life. Starts to happen with that second coat, okay? So let's get started. Second coating. That's that side. Okay, so here's where we're at. This wall is everything's second coated with 2 coats of plaster, and we're gonna start the burnish coat or compression coat. I've already started here in this little tiny corner, and you can kind of start to see it happening. So we're gonna use the medium-sized trowel to apply the material. We're gonna use a small trowel for the compression movement. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna start in the top corner, work my way across. Let's get to it. So we're starting the burnishing phase of the process. And here's a small wall, and we come into this inside corner. And this is that outside wall with outside radius. So here's how we're gonna handle this. Get our mix. We're just gonna work it into the corner, push out. Corner's got some little divot in it, so we're going to be able to work some of this wall before we have to work this corner. I put this on nice and tight, almost burnishing as I go. I don't know if you can see that or not, from that angle. Okay. So in that corner, let's do this. Let's move you around a little bit. This light is really harsh. There's nothing I can do about that. I apologize. Plaster all over my face. I'm a mess. see this. I'm just gonna flip my trowel upside down, come out, cutting in, just like I do on the sample boards. And then do a little more. Gathering it up as we go. Not gonna worry about this too much. Can you see this in the frame? Let me see here. Just don't worry about this. When we get done, you're not gonna see a difference between any of this. So let's put you here. And ready? We're gonna come in and do that corner. Let's get it from this side. And down too. Then through here. Alright, already done the cotton stuff. Let's just catch it this way. Alright, see how quick I did that? Now watch. There it is. There's the shine. Okay, so we're going to continue this all the way down. And then I'll show you how to do that radius when we get to that part. Okay, so we're burnishing. Now, I got too dark in here last night because I pulled a 13-hour day. So I couldn't really capture a lot of this on the camera for you, but here, check it out. You can see that this has clearly been burnished. Can't really tell by the reflection, but look back here, it is not. So you can definitely see the difference between the two. So let's get the tools out and start burnishing this wall. Waxing, simple. Get our spatula wax out of our can. We'll put some on the trowel, just like we do our plaster. Start the corner and come out. Make sure you're good and covered. Don't pile it up too thick. If it goes on too thick, it's going to dry cloudy and nice. And then apply it against that door frame. Take door, more rag, just lightly squeeze it into the corner. And then finish up the whole room. So we're gonna do that and we'll come back and show you how to polish it. All right, dining room is finished. 2 very ridiculously long days, but it's finished. You have primer, plaster, 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 burnish or compression, a wax coat, and then the way I polish the wax is a 3-stage polishing process, as you saw in the video. But can you see the shine? I don't think you can see it, but yeah, you can see my reflection in it. I got my shine out. But look at the gloss here. Okay, go around. Look at that. From the window on the other side of the room behind the camera. And then we're over here. This is that wall with the outside radius. Look at that thing. Can you tell how it's shaped? Look at the shine on that. That's my favorite wall right now. Let me go up here. That should put it, not really puts it, oh, look at the floor. There you go. Gives you a perspective. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go get a shower, shave, and take a nap, and then start on the foyer. I want to thank you for watching. If you don't mind, real quick, go below, hit the subscribe button so you get notified of new videos, and if you don't mind, hit that like button. And if you're interested in classes or commissioning me for projects, please go to thefauxschool.com or click the link in the description below, and you'll get all the information you're looking for. And if you're looking for tools and materials, you'll find all that information down there as well. I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.